Today, fellas, it is Tuesday, and it's Tuesday's route. I saw it yesterday. It's not much, but they weren't fully they didn't put my full route. I was missing some Larson jewels, which is some glass. Let me log out real quick. And anyways, yeah, those art supplies do be weighing quite a bit. It's all glass. It's called Larson jewels. It's for frames and stuff of that nature. People think art supply is like, oh, paper, and paper weighs a lot when it comes in bulks as well, but no, it's mostly glass. Okay, drink of the day of this week, really. It's called Rambler. That LaCroix was good and all, but oh look, it's actually not that much. 14 deliveries, 2 pickups, 1,400 pounds. Amazon, Larson Jewel, LG Electric, Rent-A-Centers, Larson Jewel, Amazon pickup. Yeah, and that's it. Hey, Sam's Club. Oh man, no IKEA. That's the best. I really don't like IKEA deliveries, man. It weighs so much, and it's just, most of the time they're gonna return it. It's just, it gets to me sometimes. People be ordering so much IKEA, and for what? If y'all remember my first video, this guy ordered, it was 4 pallets of pure IKEA. 4 pallets. That day was the one day that I'm telling you that I had the most net weight, which was like 5,500 pounds. Yeah, like they're remodeling or whatnot, but that's just way too much IKEA. We're here already. What's this dude doing? I work with Edgar today. Cool ass dude. Oh. Yeah, I work with Edgar. It's not much. I didn't get my gloves before I forget them. Got my fucking gloves, bro. Oh well. Oh man. Man, that pisses me off. I'm like forgetting my gloves, bro. This already got a bunch of fucking whatever. It's fine. I'll see if I could maybe get some gloves for the day over here. That's our route. ¿Qué rollo? Se me olvidaron los pinches gloves, güey. Hey, ¿eso que está el camión acá de este lado? ¿Eso que está el camión de acá? Oh shit. Let's see if I can borrow some gloves real quick. Yeah, we're missing a washer for the rent center.
How many are there supposed to be?
5. 2 washers, 2 dryers, y un range hood. Y nomás tenemos 2 dryers, 1 washer y 1 range hood.
Carlitos,
Dryers.
Dryer.
Es esa mera. Yeah, it's this one. Alright. Déjame agarrar, dale. Alright, we're done. This is our load off for today. There's not really much. Yeah, it's not really much. Get this set up. Ay. ¿Qué más se necesita? Líneas, esa madre, ya, ¿no? Wait, we're gonna take them off of the box anyways. Do you have old ones that we're gonna take?
Yeah, you know what? Just the dryer, yeah.
Just the dryer? Yeah, it should fit.
The garage door, but it's gonna be the same because this store's still gonna be the same.
I mean, if it's easier, is it easier to go through the garage? Because it'll be a straight shot.
You know what? It's kind
Sí, se va a quedar con la lavadora. ¿Mm? Ah, sí, es cierto, déjamelas. ¿Qué? ¿No quieren salir? Que la... Estoy esperando que limpie, güey, porque está andando... Sí, güey, está bien marrano ahí. Y está like extra nasty allá adentro. So if that happens a lot, so no worries. It's easier, makes it easier for me. I just put this on and connect this. It's all set. Just like that. Now the water lines. Little O-rings. Put them on both sides. Oh, just put them already. Sometimes they fall, so I don't like doing that. Cool. Okay. Make these pretty simple. That O-ring, you don't have to get Teflon tape for that. Just wait. La lava. Put her on the side real quick. Take the dolly. Oh shit. Oh wait, it's already up here. Ahí te voy.
Cafecito, bro, ya se echaron su cafecito.
¿Quieres un café?
Sí.
No alcanzó, güey. This one's a bucket. Ok. Y para que no se caiga. Siempre, güey, y luego nos ven a nosotros. Piensan que fuimos nosotros y... Yo sí les digo que así llegan de Amazon. Amazon got the shittiest boxes, bro. And the customers want to blame it on us. Like, nah. ¿Estás unattended? Pasa la caja, pasa la caja. Pasa la caja. Bueno. Me la bajo por acá de una vez.
Solo que la dejemos, güey. Que traemos más.
Están nadando los dos. ¿La tiro o qué? Sí. Las casas de aquí. Art framing. Güey, ya me lleva el pinche árbol ese. Big order, huh? Nice. Bro, what the fuck is that? ¿Vas a tomar video? What the fuck? A la verga.
Y nadie nos dijo nada, güey.
Neta, No lo cerramos. Downtown is so cool. ¿Cuál sigue? VT? VT Designs?
Sí, güey.
I feel like I haven't taken a proper video. Proper videos. Nah, está abierto. It looks open. Proper videos today, honestly, but it's alright. We'll make up for it right now. It's all this downtown driving. It's kind of hard. This big ass truck. Oh shit. Man, this thing's heavy. Sticker. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I have the delivery. I don't know if you want to open this or.
Yes.
Okay.
The other door. You can bring those around if you
Okay.
want.
It's just one more that long box.
Just lean them up here.
Okay.
And put,
I think you went in here. Give me a sec. ¿Ya? Dijo algo de... Oh, yeah. Alright. Until the next delivery.
Sí, güey, no, yo que supiera, no sé, bueno, pero quién sabe.
Sí, mijo, yo los tiro, pero me dijeron a mí que se los diéramos a ustedes.
A lo mejor.
Algo nuevo.
No, el cartón, güey, a lo mejor.
Right here, this one's Lonnie's. ¿Sí es? que mear, güey. Tengo que mear. No, no, así está bien. Va a ser mucho tratando de bajarla. ¿Manda? Ah, se abre doble. ¿Tiene una viejita que nos vamos a llevar? ¿Tiene otra que nos vamos a llevar? No sé. Ahí no puedo ver. Ahí está. Los tornillos.
Si un día la quieren mover, nomás echen el piso poquita agua.
Sí, se resbala.
Desde hacia el piso y resbala, pero rápido para cuando las quieran mover así, pamplito o algo.
Dale para acá.
¿Cómo?
Dale para atrás.
¿Para que vaya?
Sí. Un poquito más. Ahí ya conectó. Déjame la conecto. Ahí está. Okay.
La foto.
Look at this shit, man. Hell yeah. Get some food. I'm hungry. Oh, we gotta peel these. But look at that. Ooh. Sheesh. Sheesh. ¿No? ¿Sí?
¿Está bien, güey?
¿Sí?
Sí, güey, pero antes también está como que nomás. Nomás tiene poquito desgastado. ¿Dónde le bajas, güey? Así la.
El botón.
Ey. Sí, si no pasa el pinche.
Damn, all these fucking flies. Ah, cabrón. Damn, this looks freaky as fuck. Shit. Right. Oh, I haven't done this around the center. No key fun. Hello. I have a delivery. You want me to bring it out to this next door right here, or?
Yes, sir, please.
All right. Is it open?
No, let me go ahead and tell Mike to open it up for you.
Thank you. Hi. What's up? What's up? Good, good, good. Where do you want me to put these?
I'll take it.
You need to take pictures. Ahorita los ganamos. Hey. I got like 10% more battery. Might as well, like, wait, make this count. There's one more drop off from the military base, but I can't go in there, so. See right now how that goes. See if I can get dropped off beforehand.